I'm Carol Tempel, and I'm running for State House 115. This afternoon, I want to talk to you about healthcare because I have some serious concerns about it. One of the things that I feel we are seeing right now with COVID-19 is the weaknesses in our healthcare system. And we're going to have to figure out how to fix it at the state level and the national level. And I know that in South Carolina, we're the 8th worst state in healthcare. We have high costs for healthcare, we have little access, and the outcomes are terrible. We have people who are suffering from diabetes, heart issues, infant and maternal mortality. We have a state that has refused to accept Medicaid, and we have 177,000 people without insurance. And these are children. If we would accept Medicaid, we would also be able to cover 250,000 people with insurance, and that would help cover their pre-existing conditions. So our legislation needs to be overhauled to accommodate the needs of our people. And that's why healthcare, to me, is a real concern. One of the things that I saw as a weakness here is a personal story. We know someone who needs a triple bypass surgery. And because our system is inadequate, that surgery couldn't be handled because people were so consumed with the COVID-19 virus. Now that shouldn't be happening in the United States. In the meantime, COVID-19 is increasing on James Island, and we need to do the social distancing that has been asked of us on our islands. Some of the islands have been making accommodations to restrict beach access, etc., and that should help flatten the curve. This is where I feel it's so important to have a scientist who understands the data and knows how to interpret it and help people know what they should be doing. So, what should we be doing? We should be washing our hands and using hand sanitizers as frequently as we are in contact with possible surfaces that are dangerous. The other thing that we should be doing is social distancing ourselves, but not emotionally distancing ourselves. It's still important for us to stay in touch with our families and friends. And we do have to get out. There are necessities that we need to buy, but this is when you want to use your face mask. And this is one that I made and have made a few for friends. So I'm asking you to follow the guidelines for CDC. On my website, I have listed many resources that can help with the healthcare, but can also be a resource for small businesses that are suffering with their unemployment issues. And I have the links there to go for the grants that are being offered through Congress. And I pledge to you that when I'm in the legislature, I will work with others to improve our healthcare system. I'm Carol Tempel. I'm running for House Seat 115, and I would appreciate your vote on June the 9th.